my gosh. This is total devastation. Oh my gosh. This is all the way down the street. Oh my gosh, we had to get everything out of the basement.
Matt who? Cobalt. How does he care?
I called them, they're expecting me.
This is out front.
Thank you. Is there anything I can do to help?
I don't think so. We got all of our stuff out of the basement. It's still coming in, but
What's Shane doing?
Coming in fast?
we've stopped it a little bit, but it's still coming in.
Now.
Huh?
Said it's starting to receive
Starting to
a little
receive.
bit. So maybe
He's getting some of it out. Oh my gosh. This is my mom's front porch. I have no idea. No idea what's going on. Oh my gosh, this is the 4th of July.